Good evening, people. I realized four of you had raised requisition, but the requisitions were for 2019. Now I've added a new feature to enable you to raise requisitions for the current year and not automatically 2019. So the following people: Barman Chatin, Weni, Abubakar, I've deleted your requisitions and now you have to do it again. And this is how you're going to do it. You go to requisitions, you click new, you select the required date. So the required date is probably by 31st September, you should have had them. You will come here and describe the requisition as requisitions for the month of October 2018 to carry out PMS training for example, for PMS training for Sidama, for example. I'm just giving an example. And now you're going to select the physical year. This was not there. Now I've added. You will select FY 2018, and then the month we're generating the requisition for is October. So I realize Barman and Weni, you had raised the wrong month. The wrong month was, you had put January instead of October, and then you click generate, and it should generate requisition for FY18, the month of October. And that's it. That's how you have to do it.